Okay, guys, we are in, well, near Pittsburgh, PA. A town right outside of Bridgeville, PA called Presto, PA. Look at this. Look at this. Carvana. This is a car vending machine. Is that crazy? A car vending machine. Does anybody, does everybody see this here? That's crazy. All right, we're gonna get around the back side here and look. Okay, I'm assuming that obviously these things deliver the cars. Oh my God, look at that. Okay, I guess that's how they get the cars in there in the back. Just look at this. Oh, this is a bad angle because the sun. We'll get around the other side. Ain't that something? A car vending machine? Look at all those cars in there, guys. I guess those are the little vans it's delivered on. That is something. Alright guys, I just wanted to show that. A car vending machine.